Hi, in this tutorial we're going to create an Aged Creditors report which you can use to manage supplier payments and maintain a good payment record with suppliers. You can identify suppliers' invoices that are under dispute. Also, you can keep on top of cash flow, particularly the cash outflow from your business. Identify odd balances that need to be resolved and cleared, and identify supplier accounts where payments have been made but the invoices have not been received or accounted for. That's a really important one, I think, here. So, how do we do it? We start in our normal place, which is to go to reports, and we take a standard report and customize it. So the standard report that we're looking for is down in the section of what you owe, and it's the accounts payable aging summary. That's the report we start with. And here it is in all its glory. Now we're going to customize it, as we do. And the first customization that we always do is turn negative numbers so that they're in brackets and they're in red. There's a reason that they're negative, and it should jump off the page at you that they are negative. So the next bit of customization we're going to do is actually a sort. We want this to display with the biggest creditor at the top and the smallest negative ones, if there are any, at the bottom. And then finally, AP aging summary. Does anyone understand that? Well, we're going to change our report name to creditors. You can call it Aged Creditors, you can call it what you want, call it something meaningful in your organisation. The final thing, having got our report, is to save it and make it available to anybody else. So we share it with everyone and then we save it. There's our final report, and now we can go off and see it. In the reports section, we go to custom reports, and there's our report, creditors, available to everyone. Having got the report looking exactly as we want it, we can now change the period that it covers, and we can download it into either PDF or more likely into Excel. Here's our creditors report, albeit for a different business this time, and it's downloaded into Excel, as you can see. Now it's ordered so that the largest creditors are at the top and the smallest creditors are at the bottom. And in this case, the water cooler company is a negative balance, and that's jumping off the page at us. Any negative balances really need to be reviewed and sorted out and cleared up. The Excel version of the report can be shared with people. It can also be pasted into management accounts. But if you needed to go and interrogate any of these balances to find out what the underlying transactions are, simply go back into the QuickBooks version and click on any number that you want to review.